So GME is finally on that mark of $26. Finally, we are achieving what we are looking for. Look at GME, such a beautiful pattern it's forming, and here is the pattern on an uptrend we are forming. But I think so probably it might take probably entire next week if it's possible to come to $29. So hold on. So as you see here, this blue line, what I just drew here, that's the uptrend, the support line on an uptrend, and it might take a squeeze right here on $29.40, can take a squeeze and then move very massively. So this stock is going on a very good direction, and right now I'm sitting on an $116,800 unrealized loss. So before that, I was having more than 220 or $240,000 unrealized loss, and now I just since the price is just getting better, and we are sitting on almost nearly $120,000 unrealized loss. So if it just moves probably $2 more, I will be break even, and from there the real game starts. And thank God that I added more shares in GME, total like 55,000 shares I'm holding. But again, will I be adding more or not? But again, and again, that all depends on the scenario of GME, how the GME stock is really doing, and the volume and all taking into consideration, we will be moving forward. Now here, $29.40, what you see right here. So this might take probably like few days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably next week entirely it might take right here. But if it doesn't, probably what happens if it flushes down right back to $21.94? What happens for that? There are high chances that it can flush down, because I'm counting on two scenarios. That if it flushes down, okay, again we are back to the some kind of boring consolidation, which we really don't like that. But if it doesn't, and here we go, as I was predicting, the earnings are coming. These guys they're closing their short positions and is getting better, and the volume is picking up, and all on the green side, and no selling volume. I mean only buying volume. Even if the short and how the buying volume really is increasing every single day, because here's the thing, when the short positions are closed, of course they have to buy back the shares, right? They have to buy back the shares, and in order to buy back the shares, of course that will be considered as the long position on a chart, right? Of course, and some of the guys, they're telling, okay, this is not about the fundamentals, it's not about the charts, GME. Of course it's about the charts, because I understand what he just going through. I totally understand. It's no hate here. If you just don't like this video, just don't watch it. At least don't give those nasty comments, because folks, making this video for you guys, and if you just don't like it, just close and watch something else. That's it. It's super simple. It's very simple. And if you want to know more and more in details, you can join the Patreon. I mean, the link is down in the description. You can join the Discord, and you'll have more details about the day trading, swing trades, and long terms, and how I really recovered all my losses, and how I really keep on doing the same and same. And now here, going back, if let's say if next week it goes here and we get squeezed right here near $29.40, we get squeezed right. That is highly possible, because the volume can get thinner and thinner. The first level, what I see here, is absolutely $32. Like always, I was talking $32, and the next level, of course, $33.73. So these are the tight ranges that we have to really pass $32 is one of the biggest range that we really have to pass. But if we pass that, the next massive thing probably in the pre-market, we'll be seeing that $47 in the pre-market. But again, that will be after a week. After a week, it cannot be possibly tomorrow, or sorry, or Monday or Tuesday. It cannot be possible because keep this in mind, because we are following the trend line on an uptrend right here, and that's what we are following, and that's what the charts are showing, and that's what we are believing, that this stock is following some other kind of pattern. Now let me just make this more smaller. Here we go. So it's trying to form an official W pattern, and W pattern, of course, if I just remove this area right here, let me just take in, so it becomes like let's say if it just goes to $47.61 and just comes down. Okay, what happens then? We'll be forming the head and shoulder pattern on a daily chart. Do we want that head and shoulder pattern? Of course not. We don't want head and shoulder pattern. We want all is W pattern. So W pattern, when we will be forming, probably this is W pattern one, and next head up we are looking right here, W pattern, and that will be really interesting, and that will be really massive, and all the haters of GME, of course, they will be hiding their faces, right? Of course. So this stock is about to make some crazy moves, but again, patience is the key. We waited a long, probably more than 2 months we waited, and of course we are holding the positions, and anyone who hold their positions in GME, shout out to them, and I salute you guys, because we are all like a community right here. It's not all only about GME. I do videos even about the other stocks for you to know what, because the stock market is not just about GME, it's also about other stocks, right? Yes, of course. So that's what we do here. Good fundamentals, and to invest in good companies to make profit more and more. So that's why we made this group community in the Discord, that you can come. We have all same like-minded to invest and to grow, and we can share ideas, and also you can see what I'm trading every single day and how I'm making profit every single day. You can literally trade side by side with me with exact entry, exact exit, how I do, and you can copy paste the trades and you can enjoy the benefits. So there are only limited seats. Probably the seats, when it'll be full, the price will go much higher. So coming back right to this, so $32, what I'm seeing here, $32 and $33 here is the close range that this stock can really get nasty on the squeezing point right here. So this can consolidate, can possibly come down even to $29.40 on a consolidation period. If it just passes the $29.40 and touches 32 and 33, again it can touch this resistance and come back down again to 29, and that will be pretty boring. But again, it will be much better than what is going on right now, and what was going on since days and days and days. So one thing more, what I saw on a daily chart, we are absolutely on a beautiful upward trend. So, and that's what we are looking for, and that's what we did. And I'm so happy that the stock starts responding on a very positive side, right? On a very, very positive side, and I'm really happy. And here we go. Finally, after the red Doge candle on a weekly chart, we are going up, and that will be massive very, very soon. It'll be massive. And something interesting I found right today, right? Look at it here. At some point, we went to $26.90, like almost just shy of $27, and then we flushed back down and start kind of like consolidating right here in this range. So this is on a 5-minute chart. We start kind of consolidating right here. Probably on Monday we can consolidate, and when the market is open, probably we can just again pump up again back to the same level of $26.90 and flush back down. But that's okay. That's okay, because The main thing is we are getting improvement. We are getting much better on the price range on GME compared to the last 2 weeks, or compared to even to the last week, because we were just stuck around like just below $23, and that was really crazy. That was kind of boring, and nothing was going, nothing was moving, and everyone just are holding the positions. Of course, they are getting mad, bored, and patience is the key again. But again, so, salute you guys. I salute you guys that you were holding the position for so long, and we will have the fruit. Have patience, we will have the fruit. And if you have certain price that where the stock will really end, just write down in the comments where the stock really can go. And I'm making these videos for you guys. If you don't like, don't watch, and don't give nasty comments. If you like, just give good comments, because if you don't know how to appreciate someone, don't say something negative. Just get out of here. It's not for you. It's something else for you. So thank you so much for watching, and probably seeing the next video. Finally, GME is getting better, and also watch my other videos, what I'm making about the other stocks, because also they are very important. That will help you guys. That will really help you. Follow more and more other videos, not just about GME. Of course, follow more. You'll get knowledge. You'll get better in the stock market. You will make more profit, because I'm making some things for you to take beautiful trades, and probably you can copy my idea, and you can make your portfolios larger and larger. Thank you, and subscribe the channel, like the video, and follow me on Instagram and join the group. Thank you, and see you next time.